Mandalas are one of my favorite things to henna. Not only are they gorgeous, but the repetition is very soothing. I build my mandalas using layers. Every layer is a chance to correct for symmetry and form. This makes them very forgiving and fun to do. Let's walk through a design step by step so you can see what I mean by layering and correcting. This mandala will use spirals, bumps, heart bottoms, and dots. Let's start with a spiral. Try to make it as even as possible, then outline the spiral. Surround the outline using bumps, taking care to make them even. These are your first 3 layers. At each layer, make corrections that can keep your mandala circular and symmetrical. Dots are next. Use the compass method to create evenly spaced dots. When we add the dots, think of a compass. First, place the north, south, east, and west dots. That makes it easier to place the northeast, southwest, southeast, and northwest dots. This creates even spacing. Outline the dots and add a row of bumps. Try to keep the top edge of the bumps even. They don't have to be perfect because every layer is an opportunity to correct for imperfections. Using the compass method, draw heart bottoms. You can draw these using 2 strokes or 1 stroke. I've demonstrated both methods here. It's generally easy to get evenly shaped heart bottoms using 2 strokes. Consider the balance of the overall design while you work. The eye will notice the spatial differences between the heart bottoms. To make these look even, add details. I'm going to add dots. Add a couple of outlines to create interesting negative space. Try to make these as even as possible, but remember, creating balance in the design is more important than even spaces. Last, I'm adding another row of bumps. This is your final opportunity to correct imbalances. You should have a decent looking mandala. You can stop here or continue to add details. For example, if your heart bottoms aren't even, you can help conceal that by adding details. I like to add a few extra details to elongate mandalas. It breaks the idea of a perfect circle, but it's elegant and I love it. I make the north-south points a little bit fancier than the east-west points. I hope you are feeling more confident in creating mandalas. You can learn more at hennahelp.com. Get more designs at our henna design playlist. Get free henna designs every month by signing up for our email. Find me on social media at Jody Beachcombers. Thanks for watching.